員配置につけ。
エンジンブースト始動。
Hello everyone, welcome to World of Warships. My name is Living Dead Girl, and you can tell by the sound of my voice that I am only one of those three things. Today we are in the IJN Imperial Japanese Navy destroyer Akatsuki, Tier 7 destroyer, and we are hunting Base XP. Base XP is a complex mathematical formula within the game, and it tells you absolutely nothing. Helps you in no way, shape, or form other than in-game stuff. Yeah, I'm real good at this game. You can tell, because I can really care about base XP. However, I have to get base XP. So, that's what we're going to do. The way we get base XP is we go out and we kill bots. Today's bots are a submarine, a carrier, 2 battleships, and 3 cruisers. And there is our first target of the day. We are going to slide in here and see what we can do about that Akatsuki. That Argentina back there. And there was another ship, I didn't see its name, but we don't care. We're just going to put holes in it. Oh, there's a submarine, the Cachalot. Yeah, we're going to worry about him because he is a pain in our rear end. First off, we're going to throw torpedoes right there. And since we can see that one, that's the one we're going to concentrate on first. But we are going to put holes in this ship, one way or another, while we hunt down that Cachalot. There it is. Yeah, keep going, baby. Keep firing that thing at me. I want you to. You're loving me.
発煙装置始動。エンジンブースト解除。
That's the way we wanted to see that. Ooh, we got 2 for price of 1. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? Am I going to die? I'm going to die early. Damn. Aha! Threaded that bad boy. Now, Cachalot, you're my target, dude. You just don't know it.
対応完了しました。敵潜水艦撃沈。
That's the way you take care of that business right there. Now, we have the Britain back here. I believe that is a French battleship commanded by Captain Wright. Captain Wright is a historical military captain, U.S. Navy captain actually, who actually fought in World War II. And there's the Ranger. I wonder if we should just go after the Ranger. Let's just go after the Ranger. We can always come back for the Britain, but we're going to go after the Ranger. USS Ranger, one of the premier aircraft carriers of World War II. In real life, I actually got to go aboard that ship and do a tour. It was a long time ago. That ship is no longer in service in the U.S. military, but for its time, it was state-of-the-art. It was not a nuclear carrier. I believe the USS Enterprise was the very first nuclear carrier, but
engine boost始動。
we're going to do a little zig and a little zag. And another little zig. We are going to slide right up next to that bad boy and put torpedoes in her so quick she doesn't get hit. Somebody else is throwing shells at her. So we might as well too. Well, she's dead, so we don't have to do that. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Free to you. Helps me out. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.